Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video. I know my head looking super big right now, okay, but it is what it is. You guys definitely requested for me to come back and do some more synthetic reviews, but guess what, sis? I got you. I'm here with it today. So I did pick up another unit that I liked it from Sensationnel. We are here with the Janelle wig today. So this is what Janelle's looking like. Y'all already know how I feel about Morgan and Raina. Definitely bomb.com. So we're gonna see what she's giving us. I did get her in the color 1B. They really don't ever be saying the length on these, so I don't even be knowing. Some people be like, what's the length, what's the length? That's one thing I would say to the company that they should start including, is just the length of the unit, because we don't really know how long it is. Like I could take a measuring tape and I don't even know how to do that properly. So yeah, I'm gonna take her out the package and then we'll go over the details. And she comes wrapped like this. Just snap that off. And she is so freaking pretty, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Okay. And yo, this feels very well. Very well. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people have differences on what their units feel like. Some people say, oh, no, it does feel synthetic-y. It's not going to feel like virgin hair, sis. But the synthetic hair I'm used to working with, like, years ago, the texture of the hair did not feel like this. Like, sis, it felt like coarse, shiny, you know, hair party wig type quality. That's what it was giving me back in the day. But they have upgraded so much. The construction of the unit, like I said, this is a 13x6 lace front. And like this texture, I'm telling you guys, they did so much with this lace, because this shit lace used to be like plastic and hard, and they changed the texture. I thought at first it was like as soft as virgin hair. I think the virgin hair lace quality still beats this, but it is way softer than what they have used in the past. So yeah, it does come with, let me zoom up some more. It does come with the comb here. It has a comb over here, okay? And then it has a comb at the nape, and then it has the drawstring. So you guys already know. I'm gonna put this on my hand so you guys can see what you're getting. And this is what it's gonna look like. Of course, it comes pre-plucked. Oops. Oh, let me do this again. Let me do it again. It comes pre-plucked, okay? And it's beautiful. I love how it's laid, y'all. Y'all, look how laid this is. Like, I already knew what to expect, because the other 2 units that I got from them is dope as well. Do y'all see this hairline? No. Okay. Y'all, hairline's freaking fire. It's not bad, but the lace is a little bit too light. Okay, so it's okay. All right, y'all, so this is the unit after I put foundation on it. And when I'm telling you guys it's lit right now, it's freaking lit. Like, I can see some of the spots though. I can add some more foundation, but yes, sis, I don't think you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Got To Be Glue hairspray to glue this wig down. So if you guys don't know, I use this can. And this is my baby. This is my freaking life. Like, sis. Alright guys, so we got this bad baby on. We want her to lay down just a little bit more, so I'm gonna put my styling strip on her and just lay her down, and then I'm gonna put my scarf on top, and we're gonna come back to see what she's looking like in about 10-15 minutes. Okay y'all, so this is turning out so freaking beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush her out. She's been through some stuff. Of course I'm getting a little bit of tangling, some shedding as well, but I'm just being 100 with you guys. You should already know what to expect from videos like this. And I think I'm gonna take my flat iron just to go through it, because where I had it up, why does my head look like an egghead? Alright guys, so I'm going in and flat iron my hair. I want you guys to know that this hair is bomb.com, okay sis? It's so freaking beautiful, and y'all, it has that nice shine and sheen as if you just got your hair relaxed. So I'm all for straight units, period, okay? So yeah, I didn't have any problems with this unit. Like I said before, I did get tangles in shedding with this unit, so be mindful. Also, just put a reminder out there that these units that I will be reviewing are synthetic. I know some people hold high standards for a synthetic wig, and you got to realize that it's synthetic. You're not going to get that virgin hair quality with synthetic. You're just not, okay? Also, these are not everyday wigs, so if you try to wear them every day, I mean, you can, but the longevity of it is not going to be it's not going to be long. Does that make sense? You guys get my drift. But anyway, like I said, I love the hair, I love the unit, no complaints whatsoever. It's pretty, it's beautiful, and yeah, don't forget to check the description section below for all information in regards to this hair. And until next time, see you guys later. Bye.